I'm Dr. Protogen Shimimana, orthopedic surgeon from Rwanda, working at Rwanda Orthopedic Specialty Hospital. It's a hospital where we mainly do almost all the cases, from pediatric cases, trauma cases, joint replacement cases. I have been working with Meril since started working in our country, and we are using all the products from trauma, joint replacement, especially the primaries, primary knee arthroplasty, primary hip arthroplasty, and have done like around 10 cases of the hip, some cases of the knee. We haven't yet started working on with the diversions and the trauma. In our country have many cases of trauma, so we are using many sets of the trauma, fuminating, the construction around the hip, the plates, so we are using all the product. We had some gaps when we are doing our joint replacement. It's why I came here for the 20th Meril course at the Meril Academy, and it was a good experience for us, and we learned so much new things, so that will help us in our cases, and it may improve us, it may help improve how we manage our patient. Especially when you arrived, you had the chance to go at the Pune at Shah Hospital, where our observation was, and we saw cases with robots and cases with using a diversion set on a primary complex case. And that case showed us you had many cases back in our country, and we were fearing working on those patients because we didn't know Meril has those implants we can use. So back in our country, we recommend our Meril to bring us those diversion sets, so that any cases we have back in our country, we are not here using the Meril implant, and it will help us improve our patient's life. Here at the Meril Academy, we had chances to discuss with other experts from around the world, and it's a shared experience, and we learn a lot from each other's when you meet with colleagues from around the world. So we discuss the challenge we are having, the challenge they are having, and you may learn and improve what you are doing. So we also like the hospitality here. The Indian people are very friendly, they are smiling all over. So we are liking being here, and it is a good experience. Thank you very much.